Well, hello, welcome to my channel. Well, today I come to Jefferson again to fish for catfish. Look at that, it rained just non-stop, and the park is basically half flooded. Look at you can see from the distance right there. You see ducks swimming in a little puddle there. See, all flooded. Everything's flooded right here. And yep, come for catfish. 2 weeks ago we came here and caught 11 catfish. So right there I got 4 poles down now. Me and my wife and 2 kids come to fish here, and we have a little stand right here and then a bell on the top, and when the fish come, when the fish bite, the bell with the rings, so you know. This is my setup right here. I use shiner, and I use shiner, the medium-sized shiner. They don't have the big one. If you have big one, you should use the big one, but this is a medium-sized shiner. And this is a 2-ounce no-roll sinker. And I put a little bead right here, a 2-way swivel, and then this is how I bait my fish right here. So the current is pretty strong right now. You see, we throw the line in, the line kind of coming toward the shore right here. It doesn't stay in the middle, but pretty strong, the current. So yeah, this is the 2-ounce no-roll sinker. Hello. Yeah, I think this one might be biting. Oh, this might be biting. Come on, take it out. Yes, take it down. Take it down. Wait. Wait, yeah. I think tangle up this line too here. Yeah, it is. Hurry up. Let's tangle up this line. It's a big one, Wei. Hurry up. Here, take. I'm tangle up this line right here. Hold on. Ooh, hold on. No, just leave it. Here.
Ai mau gần đây.
Yeah. Yeah. No, they're still in there. It's a big one. See, there's a catfish we're coming for. Big one. Oh, that's what we're coming for, channel catfish. This one is like, how come it's not very meaty? It's skinny. Pretty skinny. See that? It's a pretty big one. This, yeah.
Yeah, on the side. Thấy đây, you jump on the side đấy.
Hurry up, I cannot hold anymore. I cannot hold. Very skinny. Don't understand why it's so skinny. Oh, that one too. That one right there. That one. Yeah, it's biting. Yeah, might as well fill up that bucket with the water. Yeah. Damn, this fish is like they don't have any food to eat. What the hell? Why so skinny? Alright, let me show you how to hook this thing. So from this swivel right here to the hook right here, I leave maybe this is how I do it. So maybe around like 2 feet of line. I use this kind of line right here called Vanish. This is 100% fluorocarbon line. See, from the swivel to the hook. So about 2 or 3 feet of the line. That's what I use. 100% fluorocarbon line. This is about this is a 14-pound line. So this is how I hook the fish. Let me show you how to do that. First of all, I'm gonna let me show you how to do the bait right here. I'm gonna cut the hook off first, and oh man, it's all dead already. All right. Okay, this is the shiner. I made this right here. This is the a piece of steel, a small one. I make an eye right there, and then I just poke it through the I come out through the right here through the anal, and then I put the line through. So the purpose of this piece of steel right here is just to thread the line through the fish right here, and then that's the purpose of that. And I use a treble hooks. Treble hook right here. This is a this is a size 12. Size 12 is tiny one. So I use a double clinch knot. Go 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then go through this loop, and then coming out with loop, and then going through the other loop. Double clinch knot. So this is a very when the fish bite, you won't get away. Okay. Trim off the excess line, and see the treble hook going through the anal of the fish. Tie it in there like that. That's it. That's how you do it. Cast it out. And where's my stand? There's the stand. And that's it. When the bell ring, you know the fish biting.
Like the other one.
Yeah, it's like
Like the other one. Biting? Your way gone.
Yeah, we missed that one. This one, right? Yeah. Oh. Probably, I caught it, Brian. It tangle each other's line, that's why. Put down there, Brian. Oh. Oh, there's a big one too. Sucker's big. Put it there and pull it to you, and then you pull it up. That one's probably biting too, but nothing wrong with this one. We gotta get this one up first. Just stay there. Oh. Stay there, Brian. Oh, this one is big, Brian. This one is big. All right, man. Do me a favor, find the bell. I lost a bell here. I dropped it somewhere. Yep, so this one is about what, 4 or 5 pounds maybe? Channel catfish again. So we got 2. This one's a little bigger than the other one. What we have here, family, fishing for catfish. Now we kind of, what is that? You got it from McDonald's? No, Chick-fil-A, eh?
Bây giờ anh read the sign.
What's that?
Culver's.
Oh, Culver's. Got from Culver right there. Some hamburgers.
You a chicken. You
Chick-
a chicken sandwich.
Chicken sandwich.
Put something in
Tastes good though.
Don't see it. So good.
Just waiting for the fish to bite. Half of this park are flooded. All the animal enjoying swimming in the puddle right there. Look at the ducks. Ducks are really enjoy swimming in the puddle. Look at that. Yeah, it's rained for like 3-4 days. Oh, look at this one flying away. Look at that, it's a lot of ducks over there. Half the park is flooded. See, all the ducks are swimming all over the place. It just keep raining every week. Keep raining like 3 days, 3 or 4 days of rain every week. So well, it's getting dark now. I think, what time is it? It's around 7:29, so we came here around 4 o'clock. We've been fishing about 3 hours now. Caught 2 fish. Yep. See, hoping to bite. Hoping to have some more, catch some more. Yep. Hoping to get another one, but I don't know. So people's setting off firework. Look at that. 4th July is over. Today is July the 6th. Okay, that's it. That's it. Only 2 catfish we catch today, still alive. Pretty decent size. Can't complain. That's it. And it's 9 o'clock to 8:58. Well, 8:57 right now. It's time to go home. The bugs are coming out. The mosquito and everything is coming out. And yeah, it's getting dark. There's no more bite. Normally it's hoping that the nighttime would have more bite. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Say bye-bye, crew, gang.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. It's been a fun day fishing for catfish at Jefferson. That's it, caught 2 catfish. So thank you very much for watching. You like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.